In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Teachable course. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, which content block to use, and how to place and size your images so your lessons look clean and professional. Start by signing in to your Teachable admin. From your dashboard, head to Courses, choose the course you're working on, and open the Curriculum tab. This is where all your lessons, often called lectures, are organized. Pick the lesson where you want the image to appear, or create a new one if you're building from scratch. Opening the lesson will bring you into the editor. Inside the lesson editor, click Add Content. From the options that appear, select the text and image block. This block is ideal when you want to combine words and visuals in one place, so your image can sit naturally alongside your explanation rather than being isolated. You'll see a familiar text editor. Click the image icon, then choose an image from your computer. After it uploads, the image will be inserted directly into the text area. Place your cursor before or after it to add supporting text, or press Enter to create space above or below. If you need the image in a different spot, cut and paste it within the block until it's exactly where you want it. To adjust size, select the image and drag the corner handles. Dragging a corner keeps the proportions intact and helps prevent distortion. If you see an edit option, you can use that to fine-tune sizing as well. As a general guide, photos work best as JPEGs, and graphics or screenshots often look sharper as PNGs. Aim for clear, optimized images so your lesson loads quickly. Large files can slow things down. A width around 1200 pixels is usually more than enough for most layouts. Think about readability as you place the image. Centering works well for standalone visuals, while left or right alignment can make text wrap neatly. Add a short sentence nearby that explains why the image matters. That context helps learners and improves accessibility. Avoid stretching the image out of proportion, and keep margins comfortable so nothing looks cramped. When everything looks good, click Save. Your changes are now stored, and the image is part of the lesson. If you want to add more visuals, repeat the same process with additional text and image blocks. That's all it takes to enrich your Teachable course with clear, well-placed images that support your teaching.